So, hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? So, guys, today I am going to talk about my GitHub projects. I am going to talk about three GitHub projects which I did when I recently went to Taiwan for my semester exchange in the last semester, where I learned many different things. And one of those things was semiconductor manufacturing process and inspection. So, after going there, guys, as you can see on the screen right now, I've showcased my GitHub. On GitHub, I have put many of my own random projects, many projects which are not even working, like this project here, on which I have just built the very basic layer. The web app is not ready yet. It is just the base, meaning an idea and a bit of HTML code and CSS and all that is in it. Almost, I would say 80% of my projects in here are working. Even if it is working, I have more ideas in between to improve it, to make it even better. Mostly when I start something, I write the code for it myself. And after that, when features start getting added, and mostly the front end code, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, for this, I just take out the boilerplate and build the base that I need to build. After that, I mostly build the front end using AI. I tell it what to do. And then I keep checking the lines to see if it has made any blunders, basically. Earlier, like right in the beginning, in the very early stages, I used to use GitHub Copilot because you would get options for every LLM in there. Whichever one you wanted to use, you could use it. And in that, I thought Claude was the best, so I used that, while the rest of the implementation, like the backend and all, I do that almost entirely myself because AI misses many things in that. It just misses the details. So today's video is all about that. First, I'm going to showcase these three projects to you and show you exactly what's in them. These are almost the same three projects, you know. They were made 4 months back, and now around March or April, these three projects, one was mine and the other two belonged to my friends who were there with me on a semester exchange. One guy was from South India, near Hyderabad, and one was from Turkey. I do not know exactly where in Turkey, but he was from there. So guys, let's look at this first. This guy was from Turkey. His name was Serdar Setak, I think. So this guy used basic cloud, to build his entire project, and his whole project is in a single HTML file. I do not know why he did that. It has 1821 lines in it. I am just telling you as it is. These were slightly older models, and he used the free version of Claude, so that could also be why he did not generate such great code, and he did not use any advanced JavaScript packages or anything like that. He did not use anything at all. Like, if I show you my own project, then here is my project. I use Tailwind, TypeScript, and I also use 3GS. Basically, I used White for it. White is, a package for that. It is a node.js package in JavaScript that you can use to build the basic structure of your project. I built it with White. It has React.js in it. So I started this basic part myself first, then after that, I kept getting the AI to write the front end bit by bit. And like, first, let us look at his website. It looks pretty good, I would say. A professional looking good website, and this whole thing is written in HTML. So that means, what do you call it? I thought it would not be responsive, right? But he has even made it responsive using just HTML. Hey, it is responsive too. Okay, nice. So yeah, because look at this, you can see the entire code right here, and it is all, what do you call it? The code is commented, so that is really great. Claude wrote the code, Claude is great for coding. It is still great. Even though ChatGPT has also leveled up its game now, Gemini has also leveled up, and if you get code written by Gemini or others now, that will also work. And for that, I will show you to show you the proof. I have now come to my other friend's website, whose name is Akshit Mandapalli. He was from South India. He had started his website with ChatGPT. I mean, he did his basic structure on ChatGPT. He started the structure there. So his website is also just in HTML, right? He started with ChatGPT first. Then he faced several issues. At first, his website was totally basic. If I look in between, I think there will be 3 or 4 files. It shows all these changes. No, not this. I think he had used Gemini by this time. Because before this, he did not even know how to use GitHub. I literally told him how to push on GitHub. So this guy had a MacBook and he had the GitHub desktop app installed and he was going back and forth in it. He was going to the upload option there and he was uploading the HTML files from that. So to upload their projects, I mean, CS students usually use Git push and all that, right? This guy just thought that works just by uploading. He did not really know how to make changes later or how to handle the uploads. I explained everything to him, and after that, he was asking me, bro, tell me some free AI tool so I can build a website properly. At that time, ChatGPT had put a lot of rate limits in place. So it literally took him, I mean, it took him 3 days to write basic HTML code because, like, whenever he tried to change some code or something, ChatGPT would just say, hey, your limit is over, your limit is over. So then I told him about anti-gravity, which is basically Google or Gemini's own specific IDE that is also based on the VS Code platform. On this platform, he then added all these other API components, data, and all those extra pages. He did all of that from there itself. All right, then let's close this one for now. There is one thing I want to tell you. I will give you a subtle hint from here. It is about the sign in and sign up process that he has. There is a really dangerous blunder that the AI has made there, and that guy has also put a Gemini based chatbot right in the middle of it. What do you call it in there? In the middle of his project inside the web app where you can ask it all sorts of random things that you want. So for now, I mean, this is just a small chatbot type thing. So you can ask it anything. Like if you ask about the glass, like glass, it just says glass and looks at you. It gives you an answer in a sarcastic way, like it gives you an answer. So ask it about TSMC, like what is TSMC? So all of this is great, brother, but I have not added this much to my website yet. You can go and check my website. So brother, the video was getting really long, so I thought I would make a next part for this, another part. So guys, thank you for watching.